How's it going, YouTube? Right in front of me, this is the Meshforce Wi-Fi system. What this is for is to extend your Wi-Fi connection, because you guys already know that sometimes there's like cold spots, meaning you might be connected but it's not really doing anything because your Wi-Fi router is too far, or you want to extend it outside. You're going to be able to do it with this. As always, I like to unbox everything here and give you my first impressions. Always register so you can get your warranty and other benefits, your quick start guide, and how it comes packaged in the box. Here's 1, 2, 3, and each of them has its own power. You're also going to get this flat-lined Ethernet cable. And here we are. Nice looking design, simple, elegant. Now on the back side, you will see the power, the wired Ethernet connection, and the LAN output connection. All three are the same, you just get to spread them out around the house. As you can see, they all have their power connections. And you don't have to set this on a table. You could actually have this on a wall. Okay, I'm going to give it its first power up. There's a subtle green LED. Next, you're going to get your iPhone or Android, and you can launch your camera. And you're going to want to scan that QR code or type it in if you prefer. In my case, I like to. Of course, we want to register that, but I'm just going to download app before I get it all set up. So depending on Apple or Android, it's called My Mesh. We'll press install, and there we go. Connect the Wi-Fi network of a mesh point. As you can see, there's one that says My Mesh. If I click on My Mesh, it's going to ask me for a password. Password is going to be on the bottom of the mesh by the QR code. So right now it says no internet. The main mesh point may not be connected to the Ethernet cable. Of course, I am not connected just yet. So you want to use this included Ethernet cable. Plug it into the wireless LAN with a little world icon. And this will plug it into your modem. So this is what's going to jumpstart these mesh things. So let's go over there. So once you are next to your modem, all you need is one Meshforce. So you're going to create a tether with just one mesh. Now go back into your Wi-Fi settings and make sure you're connected to My Mesh. If you are connected, it's going to prompt you to welcome to My Mesh, and we're going to set it up right here. And it'll say it's identifying your connection type. And then after that, you can set up a Wi-Fi name of your choice and then set the password. Next up, you're going to be able to add the other two meshes. You do not need to manually add the other mesh points into the kit. They will be connected automatically as long as you place them on proper locations and power them on. That's all you have to do. And these locations that you're seeing, one is in the kitchen, the other is like in the living room, closer to 3 bedrooms, and the first mesh was connected closer to the backyard. So now I could actually be outside and still be connected to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so in my car, we are connected to expansion 1. As you can see, that says Tesla Model 3. Online duration 6 minutes already since I've been connected. So if we go to speed test, expansion 1. Okay, so we're going to click go and see what our download speed is here. Look at the speeds, move on. I used to not even get 1 megabit download speed, and we're currently getting over 50 megabits. And there's the upload. What a difference. Now let's take it off and go to iBertz home. Let's test the speed of that. Same location. And let me show you what it gets. And yes, trying to go. That is no speed at all. You're looking at numbers, but that does nothing for any video, any sending, any downloading, nothing. That's just poor connection from the distance where it was. So I'm improving over 50 times the download speed connection. Details and the results. If we go in here, we can see expansion showing. Move over. We see iBertz home. How much slower that is. Majorly slower. Look at that expansion. Must have, if you ask me. Okay, so I'm sitting on my desk with all the Meshforces in the place where they need to be. My whole entire property now has Wi-Fi, so anywhere I'm at. Right now, we're going to look into the app. So there's expansion 1. All 3 that are connected. You can see I can select one. They'll say the connection quality, that is excellent. Go into the settings. We can see wireless settings. So you could actually change the Wi-Fi name. But that means all your devices that were connected to this will change as well. So you have to reconnect to the new name. Guest network. So instead of having to give someone your password, then you can create a guest password. So clicking on that, you can see My Mesh Guest. It'll create that as a separate, and you can see valid period hours instead of giving your real network password. Parental control to specify whether children, devices such as computers and tablets can access the internet. So you can add a group of type of devices that are logged in, for example, kids. And whichever device, right now, obviously I only have 3 connected, but if there was one, let's say this and this are the kids, and I can actually go complete. So now I can give them a certain time frame for the internet to turn off so they can't log back in. It does it automatically. Or I can just simply press pause and pause the internet devices immediately. You can actually prioritize certain devices, and you can see there's nothing taking internet right now because those devices aren't really doing any data search. So that's pretty much all the app will do. And here on Amazon, you can see you can get a set of 3 for $180 minus $20 if you check on the coupon code, or you just get 1 for $76 if you don't need all 3. And of course, get more information on Amazon or their website. So here's the example of expanding your Wi-Fi. So let's say your modem's in the middle of the home, and if you're over on this side and it's very hard to get signal because it's further away, you can make this one push to this Wi-Fi mesh, and it'll give you the same exact internet speed that you would have been here. That's the beauty. You can see the coverage, an example of the bubble. Instead of having just one circle of internet, now you can push it all around your houses, and you can connect up to 60 devices, so that's plentiful. They actually have a lot of reviews. Even though I'm showcasing you here on my video how well it works, there's other people here also proving how well their performance are in different scenarios, different homes, different internet speeds. Obviously, you get the idea. Read them up. They have over 1,400 ratings, and they're at a 4.4 stars. So there you guys have it. If you want one for yourself, you already know what to do. Find it in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Later.